Today we're going to learn about ratio word problem. Let's say we have a problem like this. A shop sold apples, pears, and oranges. For every 3 apples, there were 4 pears. For every 3 pears, there were 4 oranges. A. Find the ratio of the number of apples to pears to oranges at the shop. And B. After 80 oranges were sold, 2/9 of the remaining fruits were oranges. How many oranges were left? Now, the problem states that for every 3 apples, there were 4 pears. So let's write this in a ratio. The ratio of apples to pears is 3 to 4. And we know that for every 3 pears, there were 4 oranges. So, for every 3 pears, there were 4 oranges. So the ratio of pears to oranges is 3 to 4. Now, let's make this a common ratio. So, we have common units. So, to do that, we have to find the lowest common multiple of 4 and 3. The lowest common multiple of 4 and 3 is 12. Now, what do we do to 4 to get to 12? Well, we multiply by 3. So we multiply 4 with 3 to get to 12. And we know that whatever we do on one side of the equation, we have to do on the other side of the equation. So we multiply by 3. And we get 3 times 3, which is equal to 9. Now, what do we do to 3 to get to 12? Well, we multiply by 4. And we know that whatever we do on one side of the equation, we have to do on the other side of the equation. So we have to multiply 4 with 4. So we get 16. So the ratio of the apples to the pears to the oranges is 9 to 12 to 16, which is the answer to question A, which is find the ratio of the number of apples to pears to oranges at the shop. So the answer to question A is 9 to 12 to 16. Now let's move on to question B. After 80 oranges were sold, 2/9 of the remaining fruits were oranges. How many oranges were left? Let's first find the total fruits. The total fruits, which are T for total, F for fruit, are equal to 9 units plus 12 units plus 16 units. 9 units plus 12 units plus 16 units, which are equal to 37 units. So this means that the total fruits are equal to 9 units plus 12 units plus 16 units, which are equal to 37 units. So this means that the remaining fruits, after the 80 oranges were sold, are equal to 37 units minus 80. Now we know that after 80 oranges were sold, 2/9 of the remaining fruits were oranges. So this means that 2/9 are equal to 16 units of oranges minus 80 oranges that he sold after the 80 oranges were sold. So this means that 1/9 are equal to 16 units divided by 2, which are equal to 8 units, minus 80 units divided by 2, which are equal to 80 divided by 2, which is equal to 40. So 1/9 is equal to 8 units minus 40. So this means that the remaining fruits, R for remaining, F for fruit, are equal to 9/9, which are equal to 9 times 8 units minus 40, which are equal to 72 units minus 360. So this means that 72 units minus 360. 72 units minus 360. Wait. Minus 360, not 36. So this means that 72 units minus 360 which are equal to the remaining fruits are also equal to 37 units minus 80. Because 37 units minus 80 is also equal to the remaining fruits. Now let's get the numbers on one side and the units on the other side. So we add 360 to both sides to get rid of negative 360 from this side. And we subtract 37 from both sides, 37 units from both sides to get rid of 37 units from this side. So we get 72 units minus 37, which are equal to 35 units, are equal to negative 80 plus 360, which are equal to 280. So this means that unit is equal to 8, because 280 divided by 35 is equal to 8. So unit is equal to 8. Now we need to find how many oranges were left. Now we know that the beginning number of oranges, B for beginning, O for oranges, are equal to 16 units, which are equal to 16 times 8, because each unit is equal to 8. So this is equal to 16 times 8 is equal to 128 oranges. So this means that the remaining oranges, R for remaining, O for oranges, are equal to 128 minus 80, which are equal to 48 oranges. So the remaining oranges are equal to 48 oranges. So the answer to question B, which is how many oranges were left, are 48 oranges. The answer to question B are 48 oranges. Today we learned about ratio word problem. Thank you for watching this video.